All examples are shown for demo and testing purpose only. No misuse or harm is intended.
Hi there! This Instagram account gained over 300k followers in just few days. And the shocking part is, she doesn't even exist. It's all AI generated. Now you can create this yourself. Completely free and unlimited with no subscription required. In this video, I will show you how to create hyper-realistic AI influencer with perfect consistency using only free tools. And I have also revealed the secret platform that can automatically post your Instagram reels and post. Hi, I am Rushi and you are watching CodeByRushi. Let's get started. First, open the Google and search for Flow. Then open the first link and click on Get Started. Then click on New Project. Now you will see the main interface. In the prompt section, by default, Nano Banana 2 is selected. Keep it. Choose the aspect ratio as 3:4, which is perfect for Instagram, and set the number of generation to x4. Finally, make sure the model is Nano Banana 2. Generating will use 0 credits. That means unlimited generations. First, create a face of your AI influencer. From the description, open the AI influencer prompt gallery website and copy the character face prompt and paste it into Flow. Here, you need to describe how your character looks. For example, a 22-year-old Indian girl with brown eyes, silky black hair, whitey skin, minimal makeup, and elegant charming look. Click on Generate and it will create 4 different images. These images are very realistic. If you do not like them, you can regenerate again and again. If you want to make changes in the specific image, open that image. In the prompt, type something like curly hairs and it will generate a new image with the curly hairs. You have full control. Feel free to experiment. Once you find the perfect face, simply click on download button and choose it in 2K quality. Now open the prompt gallery and copy the AI character sheet prompt. This will generate your character face from the multiple angles. Now paste the prompt into Flow and this time change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Click on the plus icon and upload your face image that you selected. Then click on Generate. You will get the 4 images, but choose the one that clearly shows the face from all angles: front, back, left and right. Simply download that image. Now open the new project and change the aspect ratio to 3:4 and upload the character sheet image that you just downloaded. This step is very important because it helps to maintain face consistency in all images. Using the reference image, you can now recreate the same style image. Go to the Pinterest and search for Indian influencer Instagram. Find the images that you like and download them. Now open the Chrome in incognito window. Then go to the ChatGPT and upload the image. Now go back to the prompt gallery and copy the extract images element prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT and generate. ChatGPT will analyze the image and give you the detailed description of the outfit, pose and background. Return to the prompt gallery, scroll down and copy the master character consistency prompt. Open the Flow and paste it. Then find the outfit, pose and background section and select it. Go back to the ChatGPT, copy the extracted elements and paste them into that section. You will see that the generated images exactly match with the reference image. The consistency is extremely accurate. If this trick helping you, make sure to subscribe to CodeByRushi. You can repeat this process with the different reference images. Just download the new image, upload to ChatGPT, extract the elements and replace them in the prompt. You can also use the reuse prompt option in Flow to save your time and click Generate and your final image will be ready. If you hit the upload limit in ChatGPT, simply close it and reopen it in incognito window.
the limit resets. If you want the same character, same location with different pose, drag your generated image into Flow, then open the prompt gallery and copy the same image with the different poses prompt and paste it into Flow with the image, and it will generate the same image with different poses. Now let's convert these images into videos using 5 best free video generators for creating dialogue videos like this.
Hey handsome, if I were your girlfriend, what would you do with me? Tell me in the comments.
We use the Google Flow. Just switch to video mode and select the View 3.1 Lite model. Then paste a prompt describing the action your AI influencer performed. It costs only 10 credits for 8-second video. Currently, I am using normal Google account that shows 50 AI credits that refresh daily.
Guys, how's my new look? Share your rating in the comments.
For making simple animated image to videos like this, you can use these free tools: Meta AI, Qwen AI, and Arena AI. Meta AI generates 5-second video quickly with no limits, while Qwen AI is also unlimited, but it takes around 5 to 6 minutes to generate one video. Next is Arena AI. Each time you run the prompt, it generates 2 videos from top video models. You can combine all these small clips in any video editor, add the music, and your Instagram reel will be ready. If you want to recreate the same reel with your character like this one, it's very easy. First, download the reference video, then search for video frame extractor. Open the website, upload that video, and find the frame where the face is clearly visible and capture it. Then download that screenshot. Open the Google Flow again and upload the both images, the screenshot and your AI character image. Then open the prompt gallery and copy the pose and background prompt only. Paste it into Flow and click Generate. This will recreate the same pose, same background with your AI character. Now go to the van.video website, select the avatar option and switch from the speech to video to character swap. Upload the original reference video, then upload your AI character image. Make sure the first frame matches properly. Change the standard mode to Pro and turn off the credits option. Click Generate. This process may take around 2 to 3 hours, but the results are extremely accurate. It will swap the entire character while keeping the same actions. Download the video, but it will include the watermark. To remove it, search for 123 apps watermark remover and open the website. Upload the video, find the remove logo option. Select the watermark area, click apply and export the video in 720p. Now your video is ready to upload on Instagram. Finally, if you want to schedule your posts and reels to upload automatically at the selected date and time, then search for Meta Business Suite and open the website. Log in with your Instagram account. Make sure your Instagram account is creator or business. From here, you can upload multiple posts, schedule reels, and even bulk upload content. You can create a content for one full day and schedule it for the entire week. Now, you understand that using just free tools you can create viral AI influencer. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to CodeByRushi, and I will see you in the next video.